Hey guys, this is Theo, and welcome to Lesson 7 here on Free Code Camp, Responsive Web Design Certification, Applied Visual Design. Today we are starting with use a CSS linear gradient to create a striped element, okay? So this is a repeating linear gradient, which means it will go across the screen horizontally with multiple gradients. So the angle should be 45 degrees. So this is the first parameter. Which way do we want it to go? We can see that this sort of changed it, be diagonally going across. The angle of the repeating linear grid should no longer be 90. The color stop at 0 pixels should be yellow. One color strip at 40 should be, second color stop should be black. And then last color stop should be black. Set the first two color stops to yellow, okay. Okay, and let's go ahead and run that. And let's see, second color stop should be 40 pixels. Yeah, see, it says yellow right there, but oh wait, I think I did that wrong. Second color stop 0, 1, 2 should be black. It's yellow, yellow, black, black. All right, good to go. Next one, create texture by adding a subtle pattern as a background image. So using this URL as the background of the whole page with the body sector. Okay, so this is just sort of a common pattern if we want to have a background image right there. And this is going to make a request. And basically this is just like a grainy texture. Cool. All right. Use CSS transform scale property to change the size of an element. So this is kind of nice. It's more responsive. It's more scalable. So increase the size of the element with the ID of ball 2. So let's look at that. And we'll say transform. And we want to scale. We want to scale it by 2 times. So this will grow it 2 times, 3 times, whatever you want. 20 times, something crazy like that. You can play with that. And we want to scale 1.5 because it says that right here. And let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 4, use the CSS TransformSecure property to scale an element on hover. So here we go. We're just going to add a rule for hover. And we're going to say transform scale. And we're going to say 1.1. And now we can sort of see it gets bigger. And I'll show you guys something. I'll say transition 0.2 second, all ease in, out. And this will just make it a little bit smoother, right? We can sort of see. Or we can say, I think, what's another one? Linear. Or actually, sorry, let me give it to the full. That's why it's not. Okay, so now. Yeah, so just something fun you can do with it. All right, let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. And now we're on number 5. Use the CSS transform property skew x to skew an element along the x-axis. The next function is the transform property skew x, which skews the selected element along its x horizontal axis by a given degree. Okay, so skew the element with the ID of bottom. So we'll say transform skew x, and we'll say 24 degree, and sort of see it tilted it, skewed it. Good to go, and let me just confirm. So we started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next up, in the next lesson, we'll be using the CSS transform property to skew y, to skew an element along the y-axis, lesson 8. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.